If you want your Telegram messages to disappear automatically after a while, here's how you can turn on auto delete. It's quick and super useful for privacy. So first of all, you have to open Telegram application. Then you have to go to the chat where you want to enable auto delete. Like that, I have selected this chat. Now you can simply click on the chat name and it will bring on this page. From there you have to click on three dots and you will find auto delete option. You have to give it a tap. Now you will see different timing options. You can choose to delete messages after a day, a week, or even after a month. Select the time that works best for you and then enable auto updates. For example, I would like to choose 1 week, and now you can see new messages in this chat will be automatically deleted within a week. So from that point forward, any messages sent in the chat by you or the other person will automatically disappear. And this works both for private chats and group chats. But if you are in a group, only admins can change this option. And if you want to disable it later, just go back to the same auto delete menu like that. Click on auto delete and you can click on disable. So it will no longer automatically delete chats. It's a simple way to keep your chats clean or in private and no need to delete anything else manually. If you like this video, like, subscribe and comment if you want more tech videos like that.